My country people, how una dey? This is Maureen Gist TV. My people, the tori when e fit into our ear now be say they don't adjourn Nnamdi Kanu case to on the 21st of October. My people, which kind of delay tactics be all this one? According to report, they say Nnamdi Kanu no present for court, say they no bring the Nnamdi come court. So the thing when e dey ground now be say the IPOB members now, they are not happy. Then they fear whether they're not sure, say whether Nnamdi still their life, abi Nnamdi head still dey into good condition. This one will be say nobody don't see Nnamdi Kanu. So because of that one, Justice Binta don't adjoin am, say because Nnamdi Kanu, DSS, they no bring Nnamdi Kanu. The lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu been want to say make them transfer Nnamdi go correctional center, that place where be say people then they dey say e no good, say make Nnamdi Kanu still dey for DSS custody. Now where be say today na be the case, they no see Nnamdi Kanu for court. According to wetin just fit our ear now, say they no see Nnamdi Kanu for court. The people wanna they see for here now, people where be say they can't show Nnamdi Kanu solidarity. They can't support Nnamdi Kanu. They can't wish am well. Now be this one where be say that woman, they pray, they utter prayer, say nothing go happen to their leader where be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Say Nnamdi Kanu go defeat. Say God go grant them Biafra where be say then they seek for. So now the thing when he did there be that, my people make una sit down, make una watch this video clip. I say, oh my people now, Nnamdi Kanu lawyer where be Ejiofor, they verse. He says since 10 days now. They never allow him to see Nnamdi Kanu. He no know how Nnamdi Kanu condition be. So this whole thing just tire me, my people. If the way be said that they serious, they arrest Nnamdi Kanu. If not like that, now they pursue all these BK boys, all these Sheku them, all those leaders them. If for good, Nnamdi Kanu never kill anybody. Nnamdi Kanu never do anything where be say he go warrant them. They treat her like this. So the lawyer now say 10 days now he never see Nnamdi Kanu, and the IPOB members now they are worried. They don't know whether Nnamdi Kanu they are alive or you know they are alive, or whether in health condition they okay. They don't know. My people, make una watch this clip as I go to bring una news as it they happen. Una do.
Plenty groups they will come give them their support. But now this one we they see now at the moment, because for this place if you carry camera anyhow, your camera go see anyhow. So where can they see this one where they bring on us? So
we are just running that we the whole federation I go out for Nnamdi Kanu Makanya. So they had a lot of for. When actually last I got no here by this time. So I try sorry, if I'm one who will not go get grandma and we go carry them back Maka Nnamdi Kanu. But I was there now poor boy. When the police does I have whoever. Can I buy your position? So I got no set on this passage. What this passage?
they say police. Police don't come pursue them. If they pursue them, they're gonna carry an eye, see as they happen. Security don't come pursue them. That's what happen for here. Now outside of the Federal High Court be this. Now outside of the Federal High Court be this. Serious security people there, but these supporters of Nnamdi Kanu, they come this side, they don't come pursue them too. Make I go here waiting the policeman, they talk.
You don't want to go? I want to know where we are going. What a big people.
They see as they happen. Police they pursue the man. Police they pursue the man.
I don't want to fight everybody here.
And the boss for this place.
I respect you, sir. Sir, I respect you. Respect you. You don't come to me. Any problem? Just stay. You want us to go. We will not go anywhere. We are waiting.
Bro, Sabe, guys, see this matter where police they pursue now.
If police want us to go, make the release Nnamdi Kanu. We are here for Nnamdi Kanu. We are not here for the police. It's our right to come and see what is happening in the Federal High Court. If they don't want us to be here, let them ask us to leave and release Nnamdi Kanu with us. We are going with him. We are not here to kidnap our leader. You hold my father and you asking us to leave. We are not fighting anywhere. Come and arrest us and persecute all of us. We are here for Nnamdi Kanu and we must stay here until everything is over. We are not going anywhere.
Let's just be here and say, let's get calm.
Country people, and I don't hear them. They say, may they stay calm. May they stay calm, and I hear them talk calm. Policemen, where they pursue them, don't go. And they see the number of journalists where they outside. The matter here, get as be. We can see them by ourselves. As I tell you before, this is the Federal High Court for Abuja. Where then they hear Nnamdi Kanu case today for Court 5. Now Justice Binta, now they hear the case. So supporters of Nnamdi Kanu come give them all their support for court. As then they hear, they sing, 9-1 policeman, come they pursue them. So the people, as then talk to BBC Pidgin, say then they vex, may police no pursue them. If police won't pursue them, may they release their leader. And I hear, as they talk them, now outside the court, now we still there. All these people were there, now journalists, when no see chance, enter inside the court. If you just join us, this is na BBC Pidgin. If you just join us, one of the IPOB supporters where they here see they talk.
In this case, I am not afraid of anything. For being arrested for doing nothing, I am not afraid. I am not afraid. I am very, very comfortable by living my state without police for this. So I am not afraid of anything. I am very, very perfect and confident of coming to this.
Thank you very much.
Now yeah, as the man talk so now Nnamdi Kanu supporter say no they fear as him come. Instant gidigba. They wait anything will go happen today. Make it happen. Now so we see the matter. Like I talked before, this is na Federal High Court Abuja. Somebody there inside where go they give us updates from waiting they happen inside. They don't carry Nnamdi Kanu inside since DSS no allow journalists even use camera, snap the motor then we carry and come. That's what the matter be. Country people, we go come back. More go see journalists on the go. More go see what thing they happen. Whether they don't change their minds to give us clearance inside. We go come back. We go come back.
In this case.